Hey YouTube, it is Easy Prepper 101, and today we have another unboxing of Crate Club. I know it's been a while since the last one, but finally got it in on today, so got my knife here, open this up. Hopefully there's some good products in here. So, bubble wrap. So the first thing we have here, this is a rat tourniquet, which is very nice to have. I was actually thinking about picking one of these up, so that's a nice little to have. Then I do not know, this could be a lock picking set. There's some instructions in there. I'll have to see what that is. And then we got, I'm assuming this is an elastic band for the rat tourniquet here, and they didn't do a box this month, so they just have everything in the cardboard box. So all right guys, here's the little how-to guide of what it is in here. This is the Ready Man rat tourniquet, and they're actually telling you pricing, which is actually kind of good because we had to look up what was the knife from last month. This is the Ready Man medical card, and then you have the Ready Man EDC belt sleeve for the rat tourniquet. So not too bad this month. Very, you know, there's a few items that you do get, so you know, they're definitely kind of showing you what you're getting, unlike last month. Last month we didn't, as you saw, didn't see what was in there. So that's pretty much it. Okay guys, we did some investigation after we opened up the box just to kind of see what's going on, if the pricing and that kind of matches up, and the pricing is actually a little bit off from when my wife got me this subscription base for the 6 months, and plus you get charged the shipping and handling. We're getting these boxes for like $32.50 to $33 a month. And just so you guys know what the value is and stuff, what we're doing here is because this is all this stuff is kind of like Crate Club is got sponsored, I'm assuming, by Ready Man. And this is actually Ready Man's website. As you can see, you can get the rat tourniquet, which is what we have down here, and then the belt sleeve, which we have right here. That, when you scrub, as you can see, you're getting it for $19.99. So the rat tourniquet here is $16.95, and then the Ready Man EDC belt sleeve, they're charging you $7. So that, you know, that doesn't add up when it comes to pricing. Now, if you actually go to Ready Man's website, this is actually $13, which is the little medical card, which is, you know, it's kind of cool to have in a crap hits the fan. But the pricing of what we got here is a little bit off on it, especially for spending $32 to $34 on that. So I'm really hoping that maybe Crate Club, you know, will take, you know, people opening these videos and reading your guys' comments to say, hey, was this good? Was it not good? You know, last month, the neck knife was definitely, it made it worth it. But this month right here, definitely really disappointed and wanted to let you guys know that there is a big difference from last month to this month. You know, I do know the rat tourniquets do go for 16 bucks, but for them to say that this is $7, when in reality, when you get these two off their website for $19.99. So there's a little bit of difference. And, you know, I figured for being $32.50 in change with shipping, you should be kind of getting a little bit more. So one more thing too, just to show you, because we got the Black Friday or the Cyber Monday, whatever, how my wife got it. If you actually, this is actually, there we go. This is Crate Club's actual website right now. You know, monthly, if you did monthly, it's $34.99, and then you still get add shipping. Then if you scroll up, you know, it's $26.99 plus the $10 to $12 for shipping. So if you think about it, it's, you know, right now they're not adding up. So hopefully maybe next month will be a better month. But if next month isn't that good of a month, they definitely are good with commenting on Facebook, and I'm definitely gonna maybe have to comment to be like, hey, look, you know, I'm spending this much money and the value isn't there versus some of the other box companies that are out there. you definitely get your money's worth for 32 or whatever there is. So a little disappointed this month in the crate club, but hopefully next month it'll be a little bit better. Once again, if you guys have any comments, please write them down below. And if you like, hit the thumbs up if you like the video, and hit the subscribe button. Thank you guys so much. Catch you guys down the road.